Now all of you do this. Today we are going to do prepositions. ये सारा prepositions तुम लोग अपने कॉपी में लिखो और आंसर फिर मैं दूंगा. हेडिंग लिखो, सिर्फ ये वाला हेडिंग लिखो. Complete the sentences with one of the preposition from the box. Okay, ये हेडिंग लिख लो. And after that start copying the questions. पहले ये हेडिंग लिखो, this one. Complete the sentences with one of the prepositions from the box. Okay, ये वाला हेडिंग है, लिख लो. ये वर्ड लिखने की जरूरत नहीं, सिर्फ देखो, रेफर करो. Now start writing your first question. Number 1. When we met dash university, it was love dash first sight. मैं तुम लोगों को आंसर दूंगा लास्ट में, पर पहले ये सब कर लो तुम. Start writing the question number 1. When we met dash university, it was love dash first sight. हो गया number 1. Number 1 done. When we met dash university, it was love dash first sight. Now copy question number 2. I went home dash midnight because I was so tired. ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 कॉपी करो, मैं आंसर लास्ट में दूंगा. फास्ट. Understood? Now write number 3. Question number 3. They didn't give her any alcohol because she was dash age. Number 3. If you are done number 3, then write 4. Now number 4. I was so distracted that I put salt into my coffee dash accident. Blank लिखते जाओ, मैं आंसर लास्ट में दूंगा. I will give you the answer at the last. Keep on writing the question. If you are done number 4, then write number 5. There is no solution dash this problem. Number 5 done. Now number 6. Do number 6. कॉपी करो, कॉपी में लिखो. इंग्लिश ग्रामर कॉपी में करना है ये. John has a reputation dash being late all the time. Number 6. Now copy number 7. आप number 7 कॉपी करो. Question number 7. She hasn't got any money left. Dash other words, she is broke. Done number 7. If you are done number 7, now do number 8. Could you call tomorrow? I am not that such a good mood today. Okay, now number 9. She took me dash the hand and we walked along the beach. Copy question 9. I hope one से सबने कॉपी कर लिया. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. तुम लोगों ने लिख लिया कॉपी में. Now number 10. Question 10. I washed his car dash exchange dash some pocket money. Number 10, then I washed his car dash exchange dash some pocket money. Now number 11. Copy question number 11. This is my first visit dash Singapore. Done. This is my first visit dash Singapore. Now number 12. I hope 1 से 5 तक सबका हो गया है. 1 to 5 over, 1 to 6 also over. Now number 12. I had a lot of fun dash the summer camp and improved my English dash at the same time. Now number 13. I studied history and geography dash university. Copy down. Copy question 13. Now question 14. The bridge was closed dash the weekend because it was dash repair. Copy question 4. I will tell you the answer at the last. There is no time. Copy fast. Now question 15. लिखते जाओ, कॉपी में लिखते जाओ. आई होप सब कोई कॉपी में लिख रहे हैं. Number 15. I always buy eggs dash the dozen. Now number 16. Number 15. I always buy eggs dash the dozen. Now number 16. His talent dash singing was impressive. कॉपी करते जाओ. इंग्लिश ग्रामर कॉपी में लिखते जाओ. Keep on writing in English grammar copy. I will tell you the answer at the last. Now number 17. We had to learn all the poem dash heart. Copy fast till 17. Now question number 18. कॉपी करो क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 अपने कॉपी में लिखो. The decision that the officials made is still dash review. Now question number 19. I left him dash charge dash all the network servers. I hope all of you are writing down these questions in your copy, English grammar copy. I will tell you the answer at the last. Now write down number 20. अब 20 लिखो कॉपी में. I am sorry, but the book is dash off print at the moment. डैश डैश लिखते जाओ. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. क्या होगा फिल द ब्लैंक में मैं आंसर दूंगा अभी. पहले तुम लोग क्वेश्चन लिख के रेडी रखो. जैसे मैं आंसर बोलूं भर लेना आंसर. ओके. Now question number 21. We have to tidy up the house. It's dash such a mess. Okay. Now number 12. Sorry, 22. Number 22. Dash general. I think that Americans are very friendly. Now I'm reading out question 23. I couldn't hide my love dash her any longer. Copy कर लो question 23. Now question 24. I try to buy fruit and vegetables that are dash season. Copy question 24. Now I am reading out the last one for you. Question 25. The question took him dash surprise. I hope all of you have written down question 1 to 25. I hope all of you have written down question 1 to 25. Now I am giving you the answer. Be ready. Here the answers. See on the screen. Can you see the answers? Answer number 1 लिख लो, फटाफट लिख लो. जिसने किया अपना अपना आंसर लिख लो. When we met at university, it was love at first sight. Done. Now number 2. I went home at midnight. At midnight होगा number 2 में. Now answer number 3 होगा under. They didn't give her any. They did not give her any alcohol because she was dash age, underage. 3 का आंसर अंदर होगा. Now number 4. I was so distracted that I put salt into my coffee by accident. Answer is by. Answer number 4 is by. Now number 5. There is no solution to this problem. Answer number 5 is 2. Then answer number 6. John has a reputation for being late all the time. Answer number 6 is 4. Now number 7. She hasn't got any money left. Dash, in other words, she is broke. In other words, answer number 7 is in. Now number 8. Could you call tomorrow? I am not in such a good mood today. Answer number 8 is in. In. Now number 9. She took me by the hand and we walked along the beach. Answer number 9 is by. Now 10. I washed his car in exchange for some pocket money. Answer number 10 is in and for. Now answer number 11. This is my first visit. That's Singapore. To Singapore. Answer number 11 is 2. Now I hope you have written down answer 1 to 10. I'm going up. Now answer number 12. I had a lot of fun. That's the summer camp. Yani at the summer camp and improved my English at the same time. Answer number 12 is both at and at. At hoga answer number 12. Now answer number 13. I studied history and geography at university. Answer number 13 is at. Now number 14. The bridge was closed dash the weekend because was dash repair. Answer number 14 is for या at कुछ भी लिख सकते हो 14 में. For the weekend या at the weekend and under repair. तो answer number 14 is for or at and under. Now answer number 15. I always buy bags, buy the dozen. Buy होगा आंसर नंबर 15. आंसर 16 होगा for. Answer 17 will be by. Answer 18 will be under. Answer 19 will be in and off. Answer 20 will be out. Answer 21 will be in. Answer 22 will be in general. In hoga. In general, I think the Americans are very friendly. In general, in. Answer 23 is for. Answer 24 is in. And answer 25 is by. डोंट वरी, इसका पीडीएफ मैं तुम्हारे हेल्प डेस्क में भी दे दूंगा. यू कैन सी लेटर ऑन. ओके, आई होप all of you have done. Now I'm ending my class. Okay.